Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a digital advertisement with a 3D look using simple product images you already have. This is great for your social media posts, and it can produce really cool images and even cooler animations. So let's get started. First, I'm going to click Upload your image. It will of course ask me to upload an image, so let's go ahead and do that. Here, I'll say, please answer all other questions yourself. I want to share this on my social media platform and hopefully use it to boost sales. Let's see, it will now generate the prompts. Okay, the first prompt is ready. Let's go with that one. You can see the image looks perfect. Next, we'll animate this image, but I'll show you that in the next step. Let's upload another product and see how it works with this one. After writing the prompt, we generate the image. This second image looks great as well. I'll animate this one later too. Let's add one more. This time, we'll use a pair of shoes. I'll just go with the same steps. This image is also ready. You can see it keeps the exact product and creates a very nice background and other enhancements. Once I animate them, you'll see how beautifully they turn out. Now, let's go ahead and download these images one by one. Next, I'll go to the video editor to create animated videos from these images. We're now in our video editor, which is aiads. I go to the video module, select one of the images we generated and download it. Let's start with the first one. I'll upload it here, rotate it, and then find the corresponding prompt to add underneath. Once everything looks good, I'll replace this image with another 1-hour protein barand. Find the second prompt. Let's generate that. Now for the third one. I'll fetch the prompt, replace the image, and generate the third animation. We need to wait a bit for the processing. Okay, the videos are done. Let's preview them. The second one looks amazing. You can generate multiple versions, and each time it might be slightly different, but always based on the prompt. This one also looks great. It rotates nicely. Alright guys, that's it for today. Feel free to like, follow, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. On Patreon, you'll find many links to GPTs like this that help you generate content. You can also purchase products from our stores on Gumroad and Payhip.
We have a YouTube channel where you can follow us for free tutorials like this. We explore video generation with ChatGPT, various platforms, and AI tools. Plenty of options to check out. We also have a Patreon where you can access free GPTs, prompts, and exclusive content not shared on YouTube or social media. Plus, we run a social network where you can sign up, upload content, hide it, or get paid subscribers. It even has a small prompt marketplace where you can sell your prompts. Lots of artists upload daily there. We also have a Facebook group where members share great prompts. Tons of people are active there too. That's all for today. Bye-bye.